So this is the acerbis-x brake front brake cover. I think these things look super sweet, and I wanted to do this just because the pictures definitely don't do it justice. You want to get that kind of factory look, you need one of these. Oh yeah. Looks a lot like carbon fiber. It's not actually carbon fiber, but comes with a mounting bracket if you get it that way, and it takes the place of your spacer. Let's check this thing out. So Lightspeed makes one that's actually carbon fiber. This one is not actually carbon, but they give it a carbon look, which to me that's really all I'm worried about, because plastic's going to be way more durable than carbon fiber. So she looks good. It covers your front brake caliper, obviously the disc. Super sweet. I've always liked having these a lot. Looks really, really good. And like I said, it's got that carbon fiber look to it. Should look good on there, especially all the bikes now. They got a lot of dark colors on them, you know. So it should match pretty good. They make a vented one, which is like got vents all the way around. This is the more solid one. I think it'll look pretty good on there. Let's check it out. So here's the before in all her naked glory. So hate to cover up that pretty rotor, but at the same time I'd like to protect it as well. So I'll go ahead and get this thing changed out. Just remember, when you do stuff like this, good time to grease your axle and check all your torque specs. Make sure your fork alignment's good and dialed in. Always do that stuff. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, she's on there. Obviously a pretty easy install, but I definitely like it a lot. It fit up great. Spacer worked awesome. Wheel rolls nice and free, just like it should. Greased everything up. She's good to go. So it's the acerbis-x brake front brake cover. Definitely recommend it. It kind of ties the whole front end together. So right about 50 bucks for the cover, as well as the spacer adapter mount there. So check it out. Thanks. Subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all. Take it easy.